Hello beautiful people, Yasmin here. Welcome to Juliet Kitchen. Today I'm sharing with you how to pull together a quick and easy salad. There's nothing to it. A little bit of mango for sweetness, some tartness from the beautiful vinaigrette. It's absolutely delicious. It's great for a quick lunch, or you can serve it with my meatballs. These are chicken meatballs. I will share the recipe with you in a separate video. And you can add these amazing pita bread. You could either stuff the pita bread, or you could just use it as a wrap with the meatball and the salad. However you serve this salad, it's an excellent and healthy dish that you could have for a quick lunch. So I hope that you'll stick around long enough to see how I put together this incredibly delicious salad.
Hit that subscribe button, thank you. Get the printable recipe on my food blog. Let's start by making the salad dressing.
For the dressing, I have a tablespoon of fresh, finely minced dill, 2 teaspoons fresh oregano, finely chopped, and 1 teaspoon fresh garlic. I'm adding salt, fresh ground black pepper. I'm adding honey, about a good teaspoon to 2. I'm adding mustard. This is a whole grain Dijon mustard, about a tablespoon. I'm adding 1/4 cup of red wine vinegar. Then I'm adding olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. I'm going to add 3/4 cup. And just mix or whisk. Whisk until it's nice and creamy. Look at that. How beautiful is she looking? See that? It's perfect. How cool is that?
Okay, let's make the salad. I use 1 to 2 cups baby organic kale, about 1 cup of grape tomatoes sliced in half, 1 red bell pepper, seeds removed and sliced, red onions, as much or as little as you want, thinly sliced, cucumber, I use English cucumber diced, a Tulfo mango, 2 slices diced, 2 ounces of good quality blue cheese crumbled. I like to use about 2 tablespoons of the red wine vinaigrette. You can use as much or as little as you like. How beautiful does this look?
I have to taste this salad. Wow. The sweetness from the mango coupled with the tanginess from the blue cheese and the vinaigrette, absolutely delicious. I do hope that you'll take the time to pull together this incredibly super simple and quick salad.
Your subscription to my channel is appreciated.
Until next time, happy cooking!